Welcome to Butte Auto, and here's a more in-depth view of one of our vehicles from our huge selection. It comes equipped with front and rear parking sensors, hill start assist, forward collision alert, climate control, active noise cancellation, fog lights, lumbar support, power convertible roof, and has less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Here at locally operated Butte Auto, we strive to give each of our customers a VIP experience. We want to earn our customers' business for life, so we offer the best customer service in Southwest Montana. Plus, all new and most pre-owned vehicles come with a standard Butte Auto Certified Advantage warranty at no cost to you. This is a 10-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty, so you can drive with peace of mind. Give us a call or stop by today and find your next ride at ButteAuto.com.